Welcome back. We are going to download Windows Server 2022 ISO file, Windows 10 ISO file, Ubuntu, WinSCP and Putty in this particular video. Is the ISO file is needed? Of course, needed to create a virtual machine. Okay, so do not miss to download any of these resources. You can download all the application which I am showing you on this screen. So go one by one on the tab, go one by one on the link and just download all the applications, the ISO file and the applications. The link is given into the resources, the file in the file, so you can just open it, just click one by one and you can download. I can show you one already opened, and you just copy paste the link on the browser and click on this ISO download 64-bit edition. Do not download this one, okay? 64-bit edition VHD, the virtual machine hard drive. Okay, so we need this ISO file, not the VHD file. Okay, so just try this, just download this. Of course, you have options to choose the language, so whatever you have the preference, just go into the list and download yours. Thank you very much.